All right, we're on to our final math lesson of the week, and we are learning about line plots. So line plots look very, very similar to bar graphs. You can see that they are creating bars, but rather than having those perfect boxes, we use X's to mark how many people, all right? Or how many items, people or items, depending on what the question is that we're asking for our graph. So let's go over the first one together. So it is how many students wore orange shirts, blue shirts, red shirts, or green shirts. So we've got the colors of the shirts on the bottom, just like our bar graph. And then we've got the X's on the side that we can count to tell us how many. So they've already done the first one for you. So it says how many students wore orange. So they went to the orange one and they counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and they filled it in. Now the blue one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're gonna fill it in. And then you're gonna complete the red and the green. And then it says which one was the most common color, which means which one was most popular, right? Which one was worn the most, which color, okay? Fill that in. Next one, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna tell me how many students read 0 books, 1 book, 2 book, or 3 books. And then same with the last one, which is how many people have 0 pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 7 pockets on them that day. The next page, I think that that last page is pretty straightforward and that you will all do fine counting up how many X's are in our line plots. The next one is using our line plots to answer some questions. So that's analyzing the graphs, just like we've done for pictographs and just like we've done for bar graphs. So you're going to use the data and the graph here to answer some questions. All right, so it says the thick X's show that 6 people have 5 letters in their name. All right, so it's the number of letters in your name, the length of the name. So we know that 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, have 5 letters in their name. And then your job is to finish the last 2. So this one is buttons on clothing for that day. So how many people had 0 buttons all the way up to 6? And then answer the question about those buttons. And then same goes with this for the size of the family. And then you just got one more sheet to do today. I know it's a bit big. I just wanted to finish up with our line plots today. So the last one for our line plots is which one has is going to be what is the largest number of whatever it is we're looking at and how many people read that many books. So we're looking at our graph. So for this one, it is the line plot shows the number of books read, okay? So we know that 3 people, 1, 2, 3, read 0. Nobody just read 1 book. 1, 2, 3, 4 people read 2 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people read 3 books. 2 people read 4 books, and nobody read 5 books. So then we need to say, what is the largest number of books read? What is the largest number of books read? We know, based on here, so this is 0 books read, this is 5 books read, 4 books read. So it's not asking you how many people read books the most. It is what is the largest number of books read, and this is 2 people read 4 books, so that's the largest amount of books read. Okay, and then 2 people read 4 books. All right, and then the same goes for the last 2. It's still about our books. But this time the graph has changed, so you need to look at the graph and answer the questions. So blank is the largest number of books read. So in this one, nobody read 5 books. So the largest number of books read was 4. But in this one, 5 books were read by 3 people. So you do 5. And then it would be when 3 people read those 5 books. All right? And then you've got one more that I'll let you do on your own, okay? That is it for our math for this week. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.